Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best zip lines is probably one of the most thrilling outdoor activities you can experience. Imagine yourself suspended in the air, gliding effortlessly through the trees, with the wind in your hair and stunning views all around. Today, we're diving into the world of adult zip lines, exploring what makes them so exciting and how to choose the perfect one for your next adventure. Number 5. TRSMIMA Zip Line Kit for Kids and Adults. This zip line kit prioritizes safety with its safe strap, adjustable safety belt, and reliable braking system. The sturdy seat can hold up to 380 pounds, and the adjustable length ensures a comfortable fit for kids of different ages. This kit with harness provides much more safety than the kit with seat. The zip line is designed with your children's safety in mind. It features an ultra-strong, galvanized aircraft stainless steel cable, built for durability and weather resistance. The included tree protect tube helps prevent damage to your trees, and it can easily support up to 380 pounds, with a service life of several years. The zipline pulley is made of double stainless steel with superslip, seal ball bearings. It also features long wear-resistant alloy pulleys, steel side plates, and soft grips. It's easy to install and remove, providing a smooth and enjoyable experience. Unlike ordinary springs, the spring is made of heat-treated stainless steel spring steel, which is not easy to rust. The rubber plug has a built-in high-quality iron tube to prevent cable rubbing. The spring brakes ensure a safe distance, providing peace of mind. Designed by TRSMIMA, this sturdy zip line kit is a great companion for kids. It's sure to bring joy and excitement. Remember to use a properly fitted helmet, elbow pads, knee pads, and protective gloves for maximum safety. What we like. This zip line prioritizes safety with its robust braking system and secure harness. It features a high-quality stainless steel cable for long-lasting use. If you have young children and prioritize safety above all else, this is the perfect choice. It ensures a secure and enjoyable experience for everyone. What people say. Quality is excellent and well worth the money. It went up easily and like most, took a bit of test then adjust rides to finally get it tight and adjusted properly. What sold me on the kit were the components. I wanted a harness, seat, brake and all the hardware plus a factory grommet eye on one end of the wire. Number 4. HYPONIX Zip Line Kit for Kids and Adults. Transform your backyard into an exciting playground. This zipline kit is perfect for both kids and adults, encouraging outdoor fun and activity for the whole family. Safety is a top priority. The kit includes a secure harness and adjustable seat, ensuring a comfortable and safe ride for riders up to 350 pounds. The spring brake system provides a smooth and gentle stop every time. This feature helps protect riders, making each zipline experience fun and worry-free. Made with weather-resistant stainless steel and durable components, this zipline kit is designed for long-lasting outdoor fun. It's a great backyard toy that can withstand frequent use in any weather. We stand behind the quality of this product. If you need any help or a replacement part, our customer support team is ready to assist you. This ensures your satisfaction and enjoyment for years to come. What we like. This kit offers a quick and easy setup with its ratchet system, getting you up and running in no time. Its durable build ensures it can withstand all kinds of weather. If you are looking for a hassle-free installation and long-term reliability, this zip line is a great option. It provides peace of mind with its extensive warranty. What people say. This thing is the zippiest zip there is. The kids love zipping and zipping. I've had it up for over a year and it zips just as good as it zipped when new. Really though. Made well and works great. Stainless parts aren't rusting so they must be real stainless. Comes with everything you need. My kids 6 years old to 15 years old have gone down many times without problems. Easy setup, my 15 years old grandson needed little help from me. Number 3. EDOSTORY Backyard Zip Line Kit for Kids and Adult. This backyard zip line kit prioritizes safety. It includes a harness and a sturdy brake system, ensuring a secure and enjoyable ride for everyone. It's designed for both kids and adults. Made with durable SUS 304 stainless steel, this zipline is built to withstand outdoor use. This ensures it's a safe and long-lasting addition to your backyard fun. The materials are made to last. The zipline kit comes partially assembled for easy setup. Simply find 2 sturdy trees, and you're ready to go. It's a quick way to create endless fun for your family. This zipline is designed for both kids and adults, offering a great way to enjoy the outdoors. It's a fantastic way to improve balance, strength, and coordination while having fun. It's a great way to enjoy the outdoors. We're confident in the quality of this backyard zipline kit. That's why it comes with a 10-year limited warranty. If any issues arise, we'll replace it. What we like. This zipline emphasizes safety with its included harness and sturdy stainless steel components. It's designed for easy assembly, so you can quickly set it up in your backyard. If you like a straightforward setup and want a safe, reliable option, this zipline is ideal. It provides a fun and secure experience for both kids and adults. What people say. It is extremely easy to assemble. The 98-foot length is perfect for our backyard, offering a thrilling ride without taking up too much space. This one is top-notch, easy to put together about 15 minutes including placing the zipline on the tree itself. Number 2. HYPONIX Zipline Kit for Kids and Adults. Transform your backyard into an exciting playground with this zipline kit. It's designed for both kids and adults, encouraging outdoor fun and activity for the whole family. This kit includes a secure harness and an adjustable seat for riders of all sizes. The quick setup ratchet system ensures the cable is tight and stable, providing a safe and smooth ride. It supports riders up to 350 pounds. The stainless steel spring brake system and rubber stoppers ensure a gentle and safe stop every time. This feature protects riders, making each zipline experience fun and worry-free. Made with weather-resistant stainless steel cable and durable components, this zipline kit is built to withstand all seasons. It's a great backyard toy that can handle frequent use in any weather condition. HYPONIX is committed to quality and long-lasting performance. If you need any help or replacement parts, their customer support team is ready to assist you and ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This zipline features a removable trolley for added convenience and easy storage. It also boasts a quick setup system, so you can start enjoying it right away. If you are looking for a versatile and easy-to-manage zipline, this is a great choice. It combines convenience with durability for a fun and lasting experience. What people say. The zipline is easy to assemble. The zipline is very sturdy and well-built. The seat is comfortable. Number 1. Fofana Ninja Slider 65-foot Zipline Kit. Bring the excitement of a Ninja Warrior course to your backyard. This zipline kit is designed for both kids and adults, offering a fun and challenging experience. With a 65-foot zipline, it provides plenty of space for an exhilarating ride. It's a fantastic way to enjoy the outdoors and create lasting memories. This kit helps improve coordination and build strength. It's a great way to stay active and have fun while doing it. This is a must-have addition to any backyard. It's the perfect outdoor toy for kids and adults alike, providing hours of entertainment. Get ready for adventure with this easy-to-set-up zipline. It's a simple way to transform your backyard into an obstacle course. What we like. This zipline brings the excitement of a Ninja Warrior course to your backyard. It's designed to boost coordination and strength while providing hours of outdoor fun. If you like active play and want to challenge yourself, this zipline is perfect. It's a great way to build confidence and have a blast. What people say. The zipline is easy to set up. The zipline is very sturdy and well made. The zipline is a great way to have fun outdoors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.